Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 8th grade concept of transformations on the coordinate plane. This is standard 8.10c in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 42 off the 2019 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got a quadrilateral, and all we know that it's translated, which means it's going to be a slide. We're going to slide it 5 units to the right, 3 units up to create a new quadrilateral, PQRS prime. So we need to find the rule that describes this transformation. Well, we don't have any visuals here, so let's see if we can just draw a few visuals. They didn't tell us where this thing started. It's a quadrilateral, so let's just call it a rectangle. It's quadrilateral. Let's just put it over there in quadrant 1. So let's see what happens if we were to do what F is looking for. So x minus 5. All right, so if we're going to take our x, we're going to minus 5. That means we're going to take it over to the left 5, because when we're subtracting, we're going to get over there into quadrant 2. And then y minus 3, that means we're going to bring it down a little bit closer to that quadrant 3 right there. So the minus 5 and the minus 3 is going to make it moving to the left and down. Not what we want to do. We want to go to the right and up. All right, so it's definitely not F. Let's check what G looks like. Get ourselves a nice visual. Let's just go ahead and put that same rectangle over here. All right, so G says plus 5. All right, so now I'm going to have to go off my graph a little bit. That's fine. We can always extend the graph. So that plus 5 is going to move to the right because my x's are getting larger. And then my plus 3 is going to scoot it up a little bit, and it's going to make it go up. That y is going to increase, so take a look at what I've got. I've got right and up, which is, I'm thinking that's it. It's probably what I want, right and up. Let's double check. As always, let's check H and J. We never just find the correct answer and then stop looking, because if something else looks like that, maybe I'm looking for the wrong thing. We're going to get that same rectangle here. All right, so x minus 3. So we're going to bring it over here to the left a little bit. And then minus 5 is going to be down quite a bit. Okay, so maybe we didn't get quite over into quadrant 1. We're definitely now down in quadrant 4. Left and down. We already did left and down. Oh, look, they just switched. They just switched minus 5 and minus 3. That's it. Still left and still down. Okay, so let's check J. All right, let's do this. All right, plus 3. Yep, we're going to go over here. So that's going to be to the right. And then we need to do a plus 5. Uh-oh. This is also right and up. See, this is why we check everything. Okay, so it's definitely not F and H. But take a look at G and J are both having it move to the right, having it move up. Oh, look at this right here. How about we look at the numbers in the problem? That might be helpful. So we can't just move to the right any number. We need to move 5 units to the right. So that's going to be an x. So we need to take our x and add 5, because that's what 5 units to the right means, x plus 5. 3 units up means we're going to take our y, and we're going to add 3 to it. All right, so it is going to be G, but you see how we kind of got the same thing on J. So that's why I have to go back and double check. Always check all 4 of your answer selections so that plus 3 and plus 5 are not the correct numbers we need to add. So our answer here is G.